What's up with the Ethiopian soccer team?
Yeah, soccer team is good.
How are they? They're not.
Yeah.
They don't make it to the.
Sometimes they're good, sometimes
Okay.
not like the Black
I'll
Stars.
show you this, the name of my company.
Oh, good. Black Star Media Global. Nice. Okay. We're coming to the fifth castle. This is the fifth castle built by Emperor Bekafas. Bekafas was the brother of King David, the fourth king. They were brothers. They were the son of Joshua the first, Joshua the Great. And Bekafas ruled 9 years next to his brother, and he built a big dining hall having a length of 50 meters, which is approximately 350 persons. During this time, when the different nobles, when they came here, invited by the king, or when they came here to pay annual tax or tribute to to King Bekafas and other kings, they would come up riding their horses. When they came riding their horses, they kept their horses according to their status, based on their rank, and these horse tables.
These
Like
are the
first class, second class, third class, business class, economy class, crown nine. We can have motor parking, and that's a hotel, this open air one. Let's have a look inside. The table versus the banquet.
What happened to that king there? He lived ruled 9 years. He was killed by his brother too?
Yeah, I know. He died naturally. He was sick. I will tell you. We recovered from the original. The original is gone, and they make a new one with eucalyptus gum tree we import from Australia. It's not a good one. They drop it. They have a plan to make with ebony the ceiling. Then they have this room to display like exhibition, like the castle, which looks like what happened before and after the destruction. You know, the war. There are some drawings, photos even to display before the castle destroyed and after and before the destruction. So let's go here. We go to the big banqueting hall, the dining hall.
So this was the stable?
This table, a 9-door table.
So, but these are not the original walls.
No, original. The doors are new. It's made of eucalyptus, easily eaten by termites. So they are fall down. The ceiling is not original; it's a new one.
So you said
now they plan to come down the ceiling. You see?
So you said the original ones were ebony.
Ebony, yeah, African blackwood.
Yes, the Ghana twins. The Ghana twins.
Make sure everybody's together.
Oh man.
This was a big dining room.
So
Had a few guests here.
this is a big dining hall, having a length of 50 meters, which is approximately 350 persons. During this time, when Bekafas, this king, when he married his wife, Queen Mintua, the beautiful one, the wedding ceremony lasted 7 days, 1 week. Very lavish, very exuberant wedding. When Louis XVI, the French king, when he married Marie Antoinette from Austria, the wedding was very bankrupted. That's one the outcomes of the French Revolution. To the same to that, the wedding was very bankrupted. It's costing, it was so expensive, it's very exuberant. The poor people, they criticize the wedding here too. After he married her, he got a son from her, Iyasu II, Joshua II, or Joshua the Little. We have Joshua the First, oh the great there. Bekafas, after he ruled 9 years, he died because of a natural death. He was sick. When he died, his son was at the age of 8 years old. He's too young, he's not able to administer his kingdom. Because of that, his mother, Empress Mintua, being other agent, she ruled with her son here 25 years within this compound. You can imagine, in that feudal system, divided rule, a lady to rule on behalf of her son for 25 years is very unexpected, which means she's so smart, she's so powerful.
Right.
And the Italian, they use this place as their garage for the car because they make ceiling cement with concrete. So we call it concrete cancer. It's so heavy, another building is going to fall. It's leaning from outside with some scaffolding done by UNESCO, like 25 years ago. But a government,
You said they use this for their car?
A garage for the car.
They use this
A
for
garage, yeah.
For the carriage.
Oh, for the carriage.
Yeah.
Garage means
Garage,
carriage.
yeah.
But the word does sing Italian.
Yeah. So, because of that, the government they have a plan. They get many financial for some amount of money. There is a plan to take down the ceiling. If it continued like this, after 25, 30, 35, we can find this huge banqueting hall, dining hall. It will fall down. It will fall down. It's so heavy. Now this time, the government they are replacing the cement with lime mortar, the original one, because this one is environmentally friendly one. It should be restored or maintained in the same tradition like as original one. The lime mortar was the original thing.
Now you're saying this is the original?
It's done by
concrete?
Italian. This is a bad form of
This is to
restoration.
replace.
Concrete by Italian.
It's coming down.
Yeah. So heavy is leaning, you see?
Yes.
It's up.
I guess they were just planning on staying, huh?
Oh,
They just
yeah.
made themselves at home, huh?
Oh yeah, they was getting ready to settle in,
Design this. We gotta put the concrete walls up here.
and they had a surprise coming for them.
Didn't they?
And they did not know it. But they were gone, defeated, and kicked out of the country.
Kick out.
You can see the way they support by UNESCO, the scaffolding, you can see. Not to fall down the building. There is a gun tower in the egg castle, this conical tower. Guardrail.
Interesting.
This is It's 5 minutes. We've done everything here.
Okay.
We go to the next slide.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the last version of this one. This is castle, which is dedicated for impressment work and nursery Yasu II. It was started by this king, but when he died, they came and they finished. So it's named after them. This is his dining hall. So it's a two-story palace which is found in a good condition, except with the wooden balcony. It's a modest one, a recent one. It shows some modernity to this time, to our time. And it should be the Gondar cross with the altar. Originally, it had a Venetian glass brought from Venetia. This is replaced by UNESCO. The ground floor is sometimes a public library for Gondar. The government, since they make another bill, they left out after they used as a site manager, the one who's in charge of administering heritage place in Gondar. Now they moved to another place. It's empty now. This green area used by the queen as an outdoor service. When she welcomes her guests, her relatives, she gives them a court ceremony, conference, many things here. And she had a kitchen there, and there is a private chapel, which is under restoration. Now it's stopped this time. It's a private chapel, meaning when the queen will shot administration until she's purified for 7 days, she is to pray there in the morning, in the evening. When she comes those 7 days, she will go to the church, to the main church, to the church St. George, St. Mary, to attend the service and mass. Unless she's come those 7 days, she's not allowed to go to the church when she had administration until she's pure. We draw the exit, the gate of the cavalry gate. The nobles, the gentlemen, they came while they can ride the horses. They came the other side, but the gentlemen, they came here, the nobles, because the door is very small. The gate of the cavalry. So, let's see outside and I will give you. Okay.
Those 3 beams at the
Yeah.
top, what is that?
The beams, there was like a balcony.
A balcony.
It's fall down, yeah.
Okay.
Like this, you can see.
Okay.
You can have a picture. The same versus the balcony home.
I don't know what kind of battery you got there, Mine can't go anywhere near what you're doing.
Oh yes, we were prepared to go out in the field all day.
So you buy several batteries?
Oh, absolutely. It's the only way to do it. Battery power operation on the road. Yes, family, we have
I
been.
had to turn off mine because my battery's done.
Yes, we'll get you recharged and we'll keep the footage
Did you
flowing.
bring chargers? Like I can charge my
Absolutely. We got you, and I'll share with you what I got.
This is a black pepper tree. Our moms, they use a kind of spice to make a sauce. We use also the traditional toothbrush stick.
No way.
really?
You cook this? This
Smell it.
grows.
This
This
is
is a
black
world.
Black pepper tree.
Oh no,
we
not,
use a kind
not
of
the
spice.
wild pepper tree.
Smell it.
Weed in California.
No.
You guys
no, it's
smell
like-
it.
Tree
Smell
man's
it and you'll
tree,
know
they
what
call
it is.
in
Smell it.
America.
Get you a
Like
piece.
a tree man's tree, tree man
Smell
tree.
that.
Oh wow.
Oh.